Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your PSPCL HR account. To do so, firstly you'll have to go to your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Google Chrome for now. Then, on the top URL box, you may go and search for pshr.pspcl.in, then press enter. This will directly take you to their login portal. Here, you will have to enter your login ID and password. However, before beginning your login procedure, you'll have to make sure that you have created an account before. If you haven't created an account at PSPCL HR before, you will not be able to log into one. However, if you do have an account, you can go ahead and fill in your login ID in the first text box. Once you fill in your login ID, you can fill in your password in the second. In any case, if you forget your password, you can just click on the Forgot Password link right beside the registration link. And then, in any case, if you want to find your employee ID, which is for pensioners only, you can just click on the Find Employee ID for Pensioners Only link right above the Forgot Password link. Now, once you make sure you filled in both your details correctly, then you can just click on the Login button. Once you click on the login button, you will be successfully logged into your PSPCL HR account. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.